Not scared. I'm brave. I can do this. I just need 85 Gregs. Just 85. Ah! I can't scream. It's for so long. When is it gonna fucking stop? I'm bored. Also, what the fuck did I even scream like a little girl? This is stupid.
Okay, so see.
Oh my god. She ripped her duct tape off. I think I'm going to be sick. Run.
Good job. You killed Daisy 09. Anyway, the next room you're going to go is the exit to floor C, and then you're going to floor D. I have no idea why floor C. Hold up. Did someone add a CRT? Now I'm worried. I would recommend it.
like half how much.
That was a non-commentary Tag of Fear full game TOF chapter 3. Oh wait, what